You know it's gonna be good if you open your package and it looks like this, right? Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, La Vida with Kim. And today guys, I have a little reveal because I got a new bag and I have to show you guys, okay? Because I'm actually gonna get it repaired. This is a new bag for me, obviously, but I'm getting it repaired, so I'm about to send it to Louis Vuitton. They're gonna fix it, but before that guys, I want to show you what it is. So here she is. What do you guys think it is? It's not that big as you can tell. Okay guys, let's see what it is. Any guesses? Oh my gosh guys. Hold on. Let me see if I got it the right way. Okay. Ooh, look at her. She's so cute. Yes guys, I got another one. I had to guys. It was a great deal. Guess how much it cost me? I paid 400 bucks for this one. And I know you're probably like, don't you already have one? Yeah guys, but this is the older version, okay? Oh, and the girl that I got the bag from, she actually gave it to me with the strap. This is not authentic as you can tell, and I feel like it's too thick for this bag anyway, so I'm probably just gonna get rid of this, sell it, I don't know. But yeah, 400 bucks guys, not bad, right? So this is the older version, okay? I have this one, which is the one that comes after this one. Can you see the difference? This one's a little... I'm trying to give her some shape, guys. I stuffed her right now. This is the one that came after, okay? This is the vintage one. If you want to know more about these Speedies, guys, do you know Autumn? Oh my gosh, go check her out. I consider her like my Louis Vuitton Google, guys. She is like the encyclopedia of Louis Vuitton, guys. Oh my gosh. Go check her out guys. I'm gonna link that video that I'm talking about down below, but she talks all about these guys. So yes, these are two different ones. Maybe I'll do a video of like comparing these two one of these days, but like I said, I'm gonna get her repaired. So if you are wondering what am I gonna do, because guys, okay, like I said, I just got this one. She was $400. She's in pretty good shape, I would say. Overall, look, I feel like somebody did get this repaired, or they just took care of it very well, because according to Autumn, like I was saying, these came out in the late 70s, if I'm correct, right? It's the ones with the tag on them, not the actual date code, pre-date code, guys. So I have no clue what year it is from, but this bag is likely way older than me. And I feel like it's such in a good condition, but it is missing the zipper pull, guys. Look at this. You see that? And I was like, I could leave it like this, or I could just, you know, get it fixed. And guys, if you know me, I love to do my research. I YouTube that, I Google it, and then I saw that Shelly from Shelly Lux, I love to watch her videos, guys, she actually got the tag repaired and it cost her 50 bucks. So I was like, oh, awesome, you know, like it's not gonna be expensive. So I was like, okay. And then I went on my Louis Vuitton app and I did a repair request, and they got back to me, and yeah, still $50, guys. I was like, oh, awesome. They're like $50 for just this, or I can do everything, the whole 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽. Guys, do you guys say 𝓭𝓭𝓷 or 𝓭𝓸𝓷? I know people say it different ways. Which one is it? I don't know. I say 𝓭𝓭𝓷. But anyways, okay. So they're like, you can get all the 𝓭𝓭𝓷 replaced for, guess what? $770. The whole thing, guys. I was like, okay, it's not bad, but guys, $750 plus 400, which I paid for the bag. I could just buy a whole new bag. You know what I mean? So I was like, no, let's keep it vintage. I just want this because I know it's gonna be bothering me. Pay the 50 bucks and let's see how it comes out. So yeah, guys, look at the bag. Everything's pretty much pretty good. It does have a few scratches. Hold on. Can you guys see that? It has like a few scratches, but nothing major that I can't deal with, you know? It's just this. I don't know why. It just bothers me so much. So I was like, okay. And I need to good clean on the hardware too. But I'm going to send it like this to Louis Vuitton. Let's see what they do with it, guys. Look at this. Super cute. Oh my gosh. This, like I said, this one is smaller than the one I have right there, guys. But she's so cute. Oh, and they did tell me it's going to take around 6 weeks for it to get done. So I'm going to send it in And once it's back, I'm gonna unbox it with you guys, okay? Let's go pack it up. She's so cute. So guys, I'm gonna pack her up. But one thing I have learned my lesson to do, guys, is record the bag, how it looks, what condition it is in, just in case anything happens. You know exactly how it looked. And you have evidence of that, So once you get your repair approved, all you have to do is pack it up, and they're actually going to email you the shipping label, and all you have to do is ship it, pack it up and ship it. And that's what I'm doing right now. Not bad at all, right? Does have a little stain in there, and nothing major, guys. So, and this is what I'm getting repaired. They're gonna add a little piece of the cheddar right here, so I'm gonna stuff her a little bit. Nothing major, just something quick. So I have the bag here. I have some bubble wrap, and it's also important for you to record, you packing it, especially just in case anything, like, yes, I did pack it. It's like, as your proof, So I have a box right here, some bubble wrap. So they don't provide you with packaging, okay? They only provide you with the shipping label. So I'm gonna package it in there real quick. Cute little box. I'm gonna tape her up. I'm gonna attach my label, and it's good to go. So I got my package, and now it's time to drop it off. I can't wait to see how it's gonna look. I hope it does not take 6 weeks. I hope it's faster than that. We shall see. Oh, and guys, don't forget to get your receipt as proof that you did drop it off. So guys, I got my receipt, and now it's time to just wait. Thumbnail time. Look what I got. Oh my god, I'm super excited. Guys, oh my gosh, guess what just came in the mail? Look what I got. Finally, guys. Okay, it came a few hours ago, like around 6. I have been waiting for it all day. I got the email that it was gonna come in, and here it is. Let me remind you, today is the 10th. So it took like 2 weeks, right? Because I sent it on the 20th, I think, right? So I don't know. I'm gonna put the dates right here somewhere. But I think it's around like 2 weeks. I don't know. But can you check when was the 20th? How many days from the 20th to the 10th? Guys, the hubby's right here. It's late. I was going to open this tomorrow, Friday morning, today. I'm going to be posting this on Friday.
The 20th of September.
Yes.
So that's...
But, guys, oh my gosh. I put the kids to sleep, and I need to open it now. I need to see what's in here. I need to see what they did. I know it's just a little minor repair, but oh my gosh, I'm so excited. How many days, babe?
Huh?
How many days?
10, 11, 12,
Babe.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 days.
20 days. Okay. Almost 3 weeks. They told me from 4 to 6 weeks, right? 3 weeks, and she is here, guys. Oh my gosh. Let's open her up. How do I open this? Scissors. Las tijeras. Uy. Getting aggressive over here. I think this would be the way, right? Okay. Okay. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys the whole process of, the item when I got it, getting it, what do you call it? Getting it, getting the estimate, shipping it. If you guys have never shipped a repair before, the repair estimate, that's what it's called. Just so you guys can get the idea of how to do the process, right? And then receiving it. Obviously, it's going to be a little bit different if you do take it to the actual boutique and, get the repair through them and stuff. But this is how it is if you do it through the app. Okay, so I cut it right there. Now I'm going to open it through here. It's like taped. Okay. Oh. It has a little tear, but obviously I couldn't see it because the tape's in the way. Oh my god, guys, I'm just so excited. I'm sorry. Okay, let's open it up. You can see the color right here. Ooh. You know it's gonna be good if you open your package and it looks like this, right? I'm so excited, guys. Oh my gosh. I don't know why. Like, oh my gosh. I'm just like so excited. Okay, thumbnail time. One more time. Okay. So, thumbnail time is over. Okay, let's check her out. Okay, breathe. Guys, okay, so I know it was just a zipper pull repair. I told you guys $50. They told me 4 to 6 weeks. 3 weeks later, she's here. Let's check it out. So it comes in the box. Oh, fancy wancy, right? Oh my gosh, for a repair. It has a little note right here. Hold on. Let's see what it says. It's like a little suspenseful, you know, before seeing the bag. It has a little letter. I need like a letter opener. Okay, so it says, Dear Kimberly, it has been my pleasure to repair your Louis Vuitton Mini HL. May this piece continue to bring great memories. Sincerely, 𝓵𝓨𝓻. Super cute, right? Louis Vuitton. And then, so it has a little letter. And then it has like your little, Dear valued client, please fill and close a copy of the repair agreement to keep for your records. And last time they gave me somebody else's, I was like, what? Yeah, so it just has like the repair stuff, like how much it costs and stuff. Yeah. Okay, let's get to the good part. Here she is. Ooh, fancy wancy new dust bag, right? Super cool. I love that they do that, you know, just for repair. The smell, guys, of just a dust bag, like it literally smells like you just came out of the boutique. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay. Ooh, I didn't clean it. It's okay, it's okay. Ooh, look at this. What is this? Oh, a little plastic thingy. She's done. Look at that. It got like a whole new little zipper thingy too. What do you call this? I don't know.
I told you to just get everything replaced.
Oh my god. Look. Oh my god. My husband was like, get it all done. I'm like, no. It still needs to look a vintagey, you know? Like, what's the whole point of having the vintage if everything's burning, you know?
It's like buying an old car, just get it repainted.
Oh my god. No, it needs to look still like, you know, vintagey. What is this? I don't know. The receipt. That's all it has in here. It doesn't have the old zipper thingy or nothing. But yes, this whole thing is new. Look at this. Zoom in time. Oh, how can I show this? So you can see. So you can see the whole thing is new. Look at that. Gorgeous, right? I don't know why it was just gonna be bothering me knowing that this is supposed to be there and it was not there. So I was like, I need to get it repaired. It was just $50 and not that much, guys. Yeah, I was like, oh, maybe they'll clean it a little bit. No, they didn't. So I'm gonna have to do that myself. But yes, guys. Oh, she's so cute. I just need to stuff her so she gets a little shape, you know? But yeah. Ooh, I'm happy with this. Look at that. Simple, quick repair. That's how it should be all the time, Louis Vuitton. Not like a year wait, you know? But yeah. Super cute. I love it. Super, super happy with the time, with the price, with the results, guys. Look at that. Super cute, right? Oh my gosh. I'm so happy. All that excitement, guys, right? Just for this. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I don't even know what to say anymore. But so yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this little experience with me, you know, looking at the bag before, shipping it out, waiting, and now receiving the bag, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I honestly am not, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I am not a fan of having repairs done where the vaquera or 𝓵𝓸𝓷'𝓽, guys, let me know, is two different colors, you know, that bothers the heck out of me. But I really don't mind in this moment, I don't really mind in this situation because it is for the zipper pull. And since I'm gonna be using this a lot, you know, it's gonna it's gonna um it's gonna get some color pretty quick, you know what I mean? So I don't really mind at all. I'm super happy. $50, guys. If you have to go change your zipper pull, go right now, get it done, guys, in 3 weeks. Estimate, obviously, but guys, super quick. I'm super happy, guys. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you maybe perhaps learned a little something. Go check out all my other videos, guys. I do handbag videos here and there. I do DIYs mostly, some little random travel blogs, guys. I'm just like all over the place. But yes, go check it out. Like if you did enjoy this video. Subscribe if you haven't. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. And stay tuned for the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. I'm so excited! Me after I'm done recording, okay. Bye.